ต่อ
You are learning something every day. Experience is the only thing that brings knowledge. That may be true, said Scarecrow, but I shall be very unhappy unless you give me brains. But how about my courage? Asked Lion accidentally.
And Cicely,
Now you read this.
you have plenty of courage, I am sure, answered Oz. All you need is confidence in yourself. Perhaps I have, but I'm scared just the same, said the lion. I shall be very unhappy unless you give me the sort of courage that makes one forget one is afraid. How about my heart? Asked the wooden. Why, as for that, answered Oz, I think you are wrong to want a heart. It makes most people unhappy. That must be a matter of opinion, said the Tin Woodman. For my part, I will bear all the unhappiness without a murmur, if you will give me a heart. And now, said Dorothy, how am I going to get back to Kansas? Very well, answered Oz meekly. Come back tomorrow. Oops.